Hi guys, today we will see how to make software upgrade on the DUW digital unit for WCDMA. So to first see that what we are using current software, we will make one CV before software upgrade. This is good practice to have a backup CV, so if anything goes wrong we can restore. So just checking the things, we run ALT command to see that there are some alarms for the password and there is no synchronization. Plus there are some uplink and downlink baseband pool capacity because DUWs are added and they are not being used. So once this is the situation that there is hardware available but it is not being used, so we will have this alarm. Coming back to this command CAB, it can show us the serial number, the temperature and the core status of the after this DUW. We can also see the product number of the DUW as well. So I need to show you my FTP setup. I am using core FTP. It is pretty much easy to do the setup. My username and password is RBS and my home directory is cbbu, this folder, and this is the folder. You can see that I have extracted the software. This is our .xml file which we will give the path of. So showing you the permissions and other things. Only this, there is one small thing, permissions, and all the things on the right side should be checked. And let's see this setting also. There is this is IP of my laptop and port is 21 and base directory is my home directory which I already showed to you. So I will now generate my path so that my this file can reach to my laptop. So first command is lpr upgrade p. This shows us what are the current softwares on the node. I have two softwares on the node right now and I will be upgrading the third one. So let's see, the same thing can be seen from the cvls command also. The third paragraph shows us that what softwares are being used. Yeah. So we need to create one MO. Here I have already prepared everything. I will paste these files to you to the YouTube description section so that you can use these like commands and copy paste them in the notepad file to be used in the later on. So I am generating one R27BA03 MO. I will give my laptop IP 169.254.1.2, which is my laptop's IP, and I will give the path of the folder where this file is located. Username will be RBS and password will be RBS as well, because these are the username and passwords for the FTP. So here we just saw that there was my laptop being logged in by the DUW and this MO is generated. Once I put LTR and show this upgrade P, and now I can see there is another new line R27BA03 which was not there before. So my next command will be checking the MOs ACL 1477 1472 and it will give me all the options, and I will use non-blocking force install for the for running this performing the action on this MO. POLU is the command to see the status of the upgrade install, how it is going. There are two steps of the software upgrade on the DUW. First, it is being installed. Once installation is finished, then it upgrades. Right now this is our first step where we are installing the file. Once we are finished with the install, we will do next step to make the upgrade. Here we are. I will keep pausing so that my video can be of shorter length, otherwise it takes much time and video will be too long. So I will keep pausing so that it quickly finishes. And when you guys will do it, it will take long time for you, but in my laptop, because I am pausing the video so that lot of steps are performed in one action. Okay, we are now finished with the install. Our next procedure will be to check the upgrade P, put once LT space all, and now we are ready to have our next procedure. Next procedure is to upgrade the this same software which we just installed. Procedure is commands are somewhat similar. I will show you. First we will put ACL and go to the this specific proxy number 1472 and ACC space 1472 space reboot node upgrade, and yes, and again it will we will need to see what upgrade status is. So we will run the command POLU and it will show us whatever is going on this MO, what actions are being performed. By polling we can see this. I will once again make pause so that the time of the video is shorter, but once you guys will do it, you will see all the steps and it will take much more time in your laptop than it has taken in my laptop. I will share these files later on in the description section of the YouTube. It is not opening. I will use shortcut. Okay guys, we have reached up to 6% and we can see there are some steps going on. Verify LM files and enter upgrade. Every time like we are running some commands, there are some steps, some pre-checks by the node itself on the software before it take it into operation, because if the software is not okay for the node, it will crash later on and making an outage for us. So node has an automatic system to check the status of the upgrade before making an actual upgrade. So we are here seeing now that our 80-90% process is done and node has restarted on a different CV. We can see this, all the upgrade progress header is showing that what steps are already done, and here it is showing that we have booted up on another new CV. Previous software was R22AB and the new software is R27BA. Upgrade is still executing, just it is like taking some time to check that whether node is up or down. And now I pause the video so that we can see the result. Now we have found that upgrade is completed, and we will go to LPR command and see that what is actually done at the site. CVLS is the command. It shows us that there is another third software in the third paragraph. You can see there is another third software. Good procedure is this, that we make a backup CV after the upgrade and other things. This is the CV which is right now loaded, R27BA03, and upgrade is completed. So this is the last CV which is right now was created in the last upgrade. So we will make one CV after the procedure so that node does not revert back to the old software. This simple command will keep the node from reverting back to the old software. And that's it for this video. This video was just to see that how a software upgrade on the DUW can be done. We have seen this similar procedure for the baseband, but this procedure was for DUW. So this is it. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.